Hey everyone, Jayden Moorea here. Got a really exciting announcement and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of two of my books today. In a moment, I'm going to tell you how you can read two of my paperback books, the No B.S Approach to Create the Life You Want, or my brand new book, What Other People Think of You Is None of Your Business, for free. But let's first unbox them. I had two boxes arrive yesterday, not sure which one's in which, but let's give it a crack. So this first one, I'll try not to stab myself while I'm doing this. All right, this one is the No B.S Approach. So this book here, I wrote in 2017 after spending a year in 2016 reading 280 books in 1 year and also attending Tony Robbins' Date with Destiny seminar. This book here is all of the lessons that I've learned in all areas of life, including finance, personal development, religion, spirituality, even quantum physics and some crazy stuff like that. So this book, as well as my other book in a moment that I will unbox, I will tell you how you can read for free. So let's do that. Let's unbox this one as well. Again, careful not to stab myself. Right, now this one is my brand new book, What Other People Think of You Is None of Your Business, which I talked about in an earlier video, which I'm really proud of. And it's about my journey that I've had over the last decade through losing my partner to suicide, being defamed around the world by the media, and then being wrongly charged with her murder, and how I overcame all of those challenges and how I've discovered the blueprint to overcoming any challenge that you may face in life. So I've got 10 copies of this and 10 copies of my book, The No B.S Approach to Create the Life You Want. How can you read them for free? Paperback versions. Well, the ebook version of The No B.S Approach to Create the Life You Want, and also my book, Cruise, which is on the screen, they're both available on the LibriBox or BorrowBox apps, which are part of the Australian library system. If you're a Gold Coast resident and you have a library card, all you've got to do is log into either of those apps and you can download the ebook version of those. But, very exciting, I am going to be donating 10 copies of What Other People Think of You Is None of Your Business and 10 copies of the No B.S Approach to Create the Life You Want to the libraries of the city of Gold Coast. So they will be in all of our libraries within the next couple of weeks. You can go and borrow a hard copy version of them. All you need is a library card and they're free for you to read. Now, also, I really highly recommend downloading the LibriBox or the BorrowBox app, which are the two apps that are connected to the library system in Australia. They're fantastic. There are hundreds of thousands of ebooks and audiobooks all for free on there. I love Spotify and Audible and all the other platforms. They've got my new audio book, What Other People Think of You Is None of Your Business. But if you are a little constrained by finances, as we all are with the cost of living crisis, then those apps are fantastic. They're free. They're an untapped resource. So get in there and have a look and check out all the books on there, both ebooks and magazines and audiobooks as well. Please, if you like this video, please press like or subscribe. Check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. And also, a heads up, my full 9-hour audiobook is available on my YouTube channel, which is at Jayden Moorea. Thank you, and God bless.